Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment in the last few days of December, and I'm here to harvest my beautiful cauliflower. Let's go show you. I don't even want to explain much, but let's go show you. Some of them are not as purple as the other ones. Let me just get one over here at the back. This is not as purple as the other one, but it's just beautiful. And they come in green. You have your white ones and you have your purples, and there is actually a orange shade one. It's just a beauty to be able to come out here in the garden and harvest things late in the season of the year where people think it's over. And I'm not sure it will put something else on, but even if it just gets me into the leaves, I'm happy. I'm going to show you the difference between a cauliflower and a broccoli in a moment. As you see, look, I've gathered some of these ones here, and this is a green one. It's tiny but beautiful. Look at that. Look at this big one right here. So I'm gonna take these home and have a lovely meal. I'm gonna take some leaves as well to make a lovely meal. And it's so amazing that you can come into your garden this time of the year, still be having vegetables. But let me show you. This is my broccoli. So let me just take this is a sprouting variety of broccoli. So let me get a cauliflower and show you the differences. They look very similar. So let's get you guys closer so you can understand. So, okay, that is a cauliflower and this is a broccoli. I hope you guys can see they look very similar, but they're different at the same time. Beautiful brassicas. Look at that. So I'm going to continue to finish this off and quickly show you the harvest that I've got. And it's amazing that I can get a harvest this time of year. It's beautiful. I don't care. Keep gardening throughout the year. It's never in a day off unless there's some really disaster weather outside. But you can find out what grows beautiful in your climate zone and have that growing, and you can feed yourself throughout the year, even if it's the minimal things like a carrot or beetroot or the brassicas that I'm harvesting here. So I've harvested like the more tender type of the leaves because I want them to be a little bit more sweeter. The cold does make it a little bit sweeter, and it's beautiful that you can actually eat. Not just you can have the flowering part of the broccoli or cauliflower, the broccoli or cauliflower. You can actually consume all the leaves that you can. Look at that. It might be small, but this is going to be a beautiful. Look how beautiful and rich the color is. And yeah, that is me. That's it from me, your boy Mr. Green Hands. Just a quick harvest of my cauliflower, my purple and green cauliflower that I have growing at the allotment. And don't worry about the plants. I have taken the flower, but there's going to be sprouting more leaves that I can consume throughout the colder times of the year. And it's just that simple, is to find out what grows very well in your zone and plant it. And if you have brassicas like kale, and they are hardy throughout the year, so yeah, get out there and plant something. You never know what surprises might come, because look at my cauliflower and my broccoli that aren't supposed to be giving me broccoli right now, but all my broccoli is starting to put on heads, and I'm going to be eating broccoli throughout the colder time of the year. Can you believe that? It is December, heading towards January 2025, and I'm still getting food. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to take care of yourself and the planet. We just have to.